Hi, I'm Rick Krane from Angler's Artistry, and we're here at one of our Angler's Artistry one-on-one workshops, and we're here with Joel Lake from Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan, and Joel's been working on walleye here. Joel, you have an art background. In coming here working on fish, have you ever painted a fish before?
First time.
First time.
Yeah.
So one of the things that I like to ask folks when they're here doing a workshop, what are one or two things that you picked up on with somebody with an art background that you can share with folks about the value about learning some different techniques?
I mean, all the layering that we've done over the time and learning to build up from the background. It's not just all, finished work. It's all the layers that pop through as you go along.
So you've used other mediums here other than airbrush paint. So do you want to talk a little bit about that?
I've used a lot of pen and ink and pencil drawing along the way, so it's been very detailed, two-dimensional work on paper. So being able to do the three-dimensional, incorporating some of the detailed work that I've had in the past has really made it all come together.
How do you feel about some of the hand paint work that you've done here? Do you think that it adds to the depth?
Definitely adds to the depth. That's what I'm really impressed with, is the depth of the artwork by the hand painting.
And some of the other little signature things that we've done on here, we've created our own eyes to create that more natural look. Was that something that you anticipated?
No, I did not anticipate the eye work or anything else, and it was very difficult in the beginning, but after repetitive action, it's really come together.
Good deal. Again, I'm Rick Krane from Angler's Artistry, and this is Joel Lake. And if you want more information on workshops, go to www.anglersartistry.com. I wish you my very best.